Wait, let me ask you a quick question. Do you need extra income to boost your earning? Do you need money to start a project or business? Do you want to pay a long-term loan? Do you want to be able to live your dream life? Do you want to be financially free from money problems, without slaving away your time to earn money anymore? If your answer is yes to all or one or more, then I have good news for you. The first thing that comes to people's mind for any beginner or someone looking for updates on how to make money online is to go to Google and type how to make money online with a keyword or how to make money online in Nigeria, and what do you get for doing that? You get countless numbers of search results, all giving different suggestions, some free and some paid. Where do you even start from? How do you choose wisely to separate what works and what doesn't work? Of course, you can begin now by trying them one after the other and hope to finally find what works, but that will take time, money, and skills for you to succeed. That is, if you don't quit too early. But as a beginner or someone who hasn't made money online before, I am sure you don't have all that time, money, skills, and resources to experiment. That is why you need what is proven and works, that works fast to give you results with minimum time and resources needed. You need a proven method to make money online that can help you get paid in dollars every month without having to travel abroad, without having to quit whatever you do right now, without having to waste so much time, money, and resources. There is only one way to do that out of countless ways to make money online. This is tested and proven to work without doubt. Remember, I said I have a good news for you. The good news is Google wants to pay you every month for providing them something that is super easy for you to get. Yes, you can make money online with Google right now from wherever you are in Nigeria, regardless of who you are, how much you have, or even the skills you have. Yes, you can get paid with Google every month in dollars and smile while others are complaining of harsh economy and inflation. You will be rocking payment from Google. Making money online through Google is the basic, easiest, and surest way to make money online in Nigeria legitimately. How exactly will Google pay you and how to get started is what you will have access to with GoPoise, with access to our lifetime mentorship program. We will help you leverage a done-for-you system that will make Google have no other option than to pay you for what you do for them. I promise you will wish you had come across this earlier, but now it's not too late either. Just click the button on this page or in the video's description to start getting paid by Google using a proven method that works, have made others financially free, and will also make you be the next one. Take action and get started with us today.